The book of Ezra is a beautiful testament to God's faithfulness and his love for restoring his people. The people of Judah had been exiled in Babylon for 70 years. But God never forgot them. In his perfect timing, he fulfilled his promise and brought them back to their homeland. In Ezra 1:3, King Cyrus of Persia declares, "Any of his people among you may go up to Jerusalem in Judah and build the temple of the Lord, the God of Israel, the God who is in Jerusalem." This proclamation fulfilled the prophecy of Jeremiah, Jeremiah 29:10, where God promised, "When 70 years are completed for Babylon, I will come to you and fulfill my good promise to bring you back to this place." The purpose of the return was not just to resettle in their homeland, but to rebuild the temple of God. This wasn't merely a construction project. It was a step toward restoring their relationship with God and renewing true worship. In Ezra 9:9, Ezra acknowledges God's grace, saying, "Our God has not forsaken us. He has granted us new life to rebuild the house of our God and repair its ruins." Even in their weakness, God showed mercy and provided them with a fresh start. The story of Ezra teaches us a powerful lesson. God never abandons his people. Even in our failures, he gives us the opportunity to begin again. The Holy Spirit speaks to us today, saying, "I have not forgotten you. I will raise you up and open a new path for your life." Ezra also emphasizes the importance of worship. Through worship, God's people maintain their connection with him. In our lives today, worship remains a vital way to approach God and hear his voice. May the message of Ezra inspire you to experience God's love and faithfulness, drawing closer to him and embracing the grace of restoration. God is always ready to renew and rebuild what has been broken.